Drawing mechanics are some of the fundamental features that go into creating this kind of game. These games cannot be created without drawing mechanics, so in our current video, we will create this straightforward drawing mechanic in Unity. Many of you are watching the videos without subscribing to our channel. If you do, it will encourage me. First, to add a line renderer, select the Game Object menu and choose Create Empty. Then, select the empty game object, and add a line renderer component to it by clicking on Add Component in the inspector window. Next, create a new C# script by right-clicking in the project window and selecting Create -C# script. Name the script Draw with Mouse. Now, drag and drop the Draw with Mouse script onto the game object that has the line renderer component attached. Open the Draw with Mouse script. Here, first we create some variables, a line renderer component that will draw the line on the screen, as well as the previous position of the mouse, and the minimum distance between 2 points on the line. The minimum distance variable should be serialized field, so that we can tweak it from the inspector. In our start method, first we initialize the line renderer component, and the previous position of the mouse. This line gets the line renderer component attached to the same game object. This sets the previous position of the mouse to the current position of the game object, which should be the starting position of the line. Now in Update method, let's check for the mouse position and update line points according to it. So first, let's check if the left mouse button is held down. If yes, then this line gets the current position of the mouse in world coordinates. Since we're drawing in 2D, let's set the z-coordinate of the current position to 0. Here, first we check if the distance between the current position and the previous position is greater than the minimum distance, then add a new point to the line renderer. First, increment positions count of the line, and then add the current position to the last index of the line renderer. Then, update the previous position to the current position. Save the script and go back to Unity. Here, you can see now we have a field as min distance which we can change directly from the inspector. Here in the line renderer component, we have many options, and you can do some experiments to get a better understanding of line renderer. Click the play button to enter play mode and test out your new script. You should be able to draw a line on the screen by holding down the left mouse button and moving your mouse around. Now to fix this problem, let's go back to script. Here let's add a check if the current position is equals to start position which we initialized on start method. That means line drawing started, so update the start position of the line to the current position. And in else block do the other things as it is. Additionally, let's set the line's initial position count in the start method to 1. Now you can see it's working fine. I added another field to it to set its width. You can experiment with line renderer settings to get the suitable results.